What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to do some more link building, and in today's link building tutorial we have a do follow backlink from Mozilla itself. Yes, you heard that right, Mozilla. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to go to addons.mozilla.org. Once you're on this page, go ahead and click register or login. And here you're going to put in your email address. I will just use this one and click continue. And then go ahead and put your password, repeat your password, verify your age, and then click either one of these three boxes and click create an account. Now I already have an account, so I'm not actually going to create it, but once you click create an account, you're going to have to verify your email. Okay, this will not work if you don't verify your email. So you will get a code sent to your email address, and then after you click create an account, just go to your email, get that code, type it in, and you're good to go. And once you type in your code, you're going to land on a page such as this one, right? Or not exactly this one because I'm in my account, but you should land on something like this, and then just go ahead and go up to your profile, scroll down to edit my profile, and this is where you will be able to include your link back to your website. So just go ahead and fill out your information, your homepage, location, occupation, put a nice little photo, you know what I'm saying, and then just a quick introduction to make your profile look, you know, as natural as possible. And once you do that, just click update my profile, and then to see our do follow backlink, you can see it on the left hand side where it says home page. Let's go over to our handy dandy Moz bar, and this is a DA-97, guys. Very powerful link. And then let's go to the do follow, and boom, do follow DA-97 backlink from Firefox Mozilla.org, right? It doesn't get any better than that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick link building tutorial, and if you guys like this one and want to see some more gems, go ahead and leave your boy a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It will really help me out to continue making these videos and help out as many of my SEO fam as I can. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.